What's going on, guys? Drones and dogs here, and bow, bow. Welcome back to the channel, man. I'm here with this Swiftstream Z-32CV, man, and it's just a little line of sight little flyer with a little camera, little pinhole camera on it. I showed you guys the review of it, and when I showed you guys the review, it had the landing gear. If you guys don't remember it, make sure you go check out the first review I did of this. This is the one my nephew sent me, but it had the landing gear on it and it had the prop guards on it. So I took the prop guard and the landing gear off just to see if we can get a longer flight and better performance out of this guy, and we should be able to. And what the hey, I know I already showed you guys the camera, but I did pop another SD card in there, and we'll go ahead and showcase the camera again. But if you want to see how it comes out of the box with the landing gear and the prop guards, make sure you check out my first flight. And I'm gonna just fly this guy, no prop guards, no landing gear, and we'll check this guy out, see if it flies better. And I'll also take a couple photos and maybe throw some camera footage in there and see how you guys like it. All right, it's the Swiftstream Z-32CV. So let me go ahead and power this guy on. No on and off switch, so you just gotta put the little battery in there. Go ahead and put this guy in. Little battery, so snug, they barely give you any room. All right, here we go. There we go. Got green flashes in the front, blue in the back. Set that guy down. I'm trying to get it on a kind of a sort of a level surface. With that camera, you don't have much of a level surface because that camera up and down binds it. All right. So let's go up. So here we have it, man. Swiftstream Z-32CV. So we're in the first rate right now. Let me go ahead and start the recording. I just started the recording. All right, so we're in the first rate. Green LEDs in the front, blue in the back, looking real nice. This is forward flight in the first rate. Forward flight, first rate. There's like zero wind right now. It's a perfect time to fly, guys. Like zero wind. I don't even feel a breeze right now. So it's a great time to fly and do a little performance test of this little Swiftstream drone. All right, let's up the rates. 2 beeps. So we're in the second rate. This is forward flight in the second rate. A little bit more pitch on it. Look at that. Definitely. Let's check out the yaw. Still kind of a slow yaw on it. Still a slow yaw. Oh, so it only has 2 rates. So we'll stay in the high rate. We'll stay in the high rate. Check out some flips on it. Nice. That was me letting off the throttle. You see it do that little, the prop stop spinning for a second. I let off the throttle when I did that. But yeah, nice flips. All directional flips with this guy. So it's flying really good without the prop guards and the landing gear. So let's take it up. It's a little guy, but the red props in the back and the rear is helping me really good with orientation with this guy. So I can
Fix me, I'm a rip my heart at something that I'm used to. Fix me, I'm a little overused, but you make me feel brand new. I'm a little overused, but you make me feel brand new. Rip my heart is something that I'm used to. Fix me, I'm a rip my heart is something that I'm used to. Fix me, I'm a rip my heart is something that I'm used to. Fix me, I'm a rip my heart is something that I'm used to. Fix me, I'm a
Really tell where the back of the quad is if I just keep my eye on the red props in the back, and I know that's the rear. It's got some pretty decent range for a little guy. Definitely decent range. Check it out. Nice. I'm gonna stop the recording. Take a photo. So I just took a photo. Face it over here. Took another photo. Took another photo. Bring it on in close for a close look. Flying without the prop guards and the landing gear. Looking really nice. I like this one. This is a nice one. Got that Mo King Super F resemblance. Look at that. It's like the Mo King Super F with a camera on it. That's what it looks like. Look at that. Nice little flyer. Yeah. Nice little flyer. Let's go ahead and start the recording again. So I got the recording started. Follow this guy around. Let's go over here and check out my wife's plants. She works hard on her plants and her garden and stuff. Let's go over here and check out her plants. Check it out. Check it out. Nice. Go here and check out the little bugs on the fence. She recently added these little beetles on the fence over here. Let's go ahead and check them out. That's her little beetles on the fence. Her sunflower. She also has some bumblebees. Hopefully that's showing up in the camera. Some bumblebees, little beetles on the fence. There's a butterfly there. There's an owl kind of chilling in the shade down there. See the little owl down there chilling in the shade? That comes up on the camera. So nice. Want to look and see if I got flashing lights yet. No blinkies. No blinkies. Let's go up. Do some good filming with this guy. This little thing got some good range. I ain't gonna even stunt. It got some good range on it for a little dude.
something that I'm used to. Fix me, I'ma rip my heart is something that I'm used to. Fix me, I'ma something that I'm used to. Fix me, I'm a rip my heart at something that I'm used to. Fix me, I'm a little overused, but you make me feel brand new. I'm a little overused, but you make me feel brand new. Rip my heart is something that I'm used to. Fix me, I'm a rip my heart is something that I'm used to. Fix me, I'm a rip my heart is something that I'm used to. Fix me, I'm a rip my heart is something that I'm used to.
Flying really well.
Fix me, I'm a
Really impressed. Let's go over the tree. Can we make it over the tree? Over the tree. Oh. No wind. It was flying really smooth. Oh yeah, it's flying really smooth. Hopefully I'm getting some good footage. Let me stop the recording. Start to bring it down, because I can't tell if I got flashing lights from way up there. This thing got some heck of a range, guys. With this controller, it's got a really good range. No flashing lights yet. So we're just gonna keep flying this guy. Keep flying this guy. Taking them prop guards and landing gear. Gave us some extensive flight time, guys. What do you think about that? So if you guys have this, take off the prop guards and the landing gear. Take off the prop guards and the landing gear. But if you're a beginner and you're not that comfortable yet, then keep them on. Learn to fly. You know what I'm saying? Crash with them prop guards and stuff on. And then once you feel a little bit more comfortable, take them off. And man, you fly like this. Nice little flyer. Let's check out the lights. See, look at that. Still no flashing lights. Still flipping. Look at that. Ooh, but it just dropped down when it did that flip. That flip almost just killed it. Look, and there's our LVC. That flip did it. I did that flip and it kicked it right into LVC. And see, as you can see, it dropped down. Let's bring this guy in. This is a nice little flyer, man. Nice flyer, man. Swiftstream Z-32CV. I'm your boy Drones and Dogs. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm out.